Hello, future freshmen. My name is Mrs. Rebecca Black, and I'm the Science Department Chair at Southwestern High School. The purpose of this screencast is to help you determine which class you want to take next year as a ninth grader, as well as to introduce you to the Science Department members that you may have the opportunity to work with over the next 4 years. At the high school, we have two options for our freshmen to take. You would either be taking our Honors Earth and Space Science course, or you would be taking our General Science course, which is actually a physical science course. Throughout this screencast, you will meet several of our department members, as well as get more information about those two choices. This slide, which is also available for you in your curriculum guide, does lay out the different options that you would have after you complete your ninth grade year as well.
Hi, my name is Miss Johnson. I teach General Science and Biology at Southwest High School. If you decide to take General Science your ninth grade year, this slide shows the pathways that you can take throughout your entire 4 years at the high school. So if you start with General Science, in 10th grade you can take Biology, 11th grade Earth and Space Science, and then 12th grade you really have a lot of options. You can choose from Chemistry, Biology 2, Physics, Ecology, a lot of fun options. All students are required to take at least 3 science courses. We would like you to take a life science course, earth science course, and a physical science course. And of course, you're always encouraged to take additional science electives.
Hi, I'm Ms. Wolf. I normally teach physics and general science. So our general science, our ninth grade course, the focus is really about doing science and learning how to think scientifically rather than just memorizing facts. So in the class, the students will be exposed to a variety of engaging labs and activities that will reinforce the topics that we're learning about. They'll be asked to think critically and develop skills associated with the science practices. The content covered will cover a variety of intro to physics and chemistry topics. We kind of go physics and chem and then back and forth integrating the chemistry and physics curriculum. And then it will count as a physical science requirement for graduation.
Hello everyone, I'm Kyle Simon. I am a ninth grade Earth and Space Science teacher and a ninth grade General Science teacher at Southwestern. And I'm just going to briefly talk to you about the progress that people make after taking Honors Earth and Space Science as a ninth grader. So you can see the 3 tracks that we have set forth would lead to Honors Biology, Honors Chemistry, or both of them in the 10th grade year. That's the most common thing to do. And they would progress through to the different options in 11th and 12th grade, depending on what the intended outcome is or the end goal is for a student in furthering their STEM education. So one thing that is important to remember is that still all students would be required to take at least 3 science courses that would include a life science and earth and space science course or earth science course and a physical science course. With Honors Earth and Space being a ninth grade course, students would then be expected to take just a life science and a physical science after that. Students are encouraged to take additional science electives after completing or as part of the plan of completing the 3 required science courses. Hey, it's me again. The purpose of the Honor Science program is really to allow our students that are interested in a rigorous science education, or maybe you're interested in going into STEM fields, to allow them to experience the academic science experience at a faster pace than the general academic track. And again, the idea is to prepare students for next level science education that will allow them to be successful in more rigorous classes in their post-secondary education. It's possible that if students enroll through our science program into advanced placement or dual enrollment courses, that they would even have the opportunity to get college credit for the completion of the courses that would also satisfy Southwestern requirements.
Hi, my name is Mr. Meckley. I teach Honors Biology and Academic Biology. In the Honors Science requirements, to enter the Honors Science program, a ninth grade student must earn a 3 or 3+ in 8th grade science course and have a recommendation from a science teacher, and also complete Algebra 1 prior to starting Honors Earth and Space.
Hello there, I'm Mr. Rennell. I teach Honors Biology and AP Biology. I want to talk to you about our Honors Science requirements to stay in the program. So after you take your freshman Honors Science course, to remain in the Honors program, you must earn an A or B in the previous science course, or maintain a 3.5 grade point average, or have a teacher recommendation if you have a C or lower in that previous science course. These are the rules that have been set forth to maintain the academic integrity of our Honors Science program. So work hard in that first Honors Science class. We look forward to seeing you in our Honors program.
Hello, my name is Zachary Scheer. I teach ninth grade general science, honors earth and space science, academic earth and space science, and honors meteorology. The honors earth and space science is a ninth grade course where students will be exposed to a lot of the methods of utilizing science and progressing through scientific advancements and creating labs, lab reports, things like that. Through the earth sciences, we particularly focus on astronomy, geology. We get into land management and soils. We also then begin a discussion of the atmospheric sciences, global warming and global climate change, and then eventually how that ties into some of the more frequently occurring natural hazards and natural disasters that we get to here on Earth. This will count, as it says there, as the earth science requirement for students who then later on, if they are still interested, can take the honors meteorology course as a junior or senior.
Hello, my name is Miss Murphy. I teach general science and chemistry. Just as a reminder, we have multiple pathways for our science courses. Each student is required to take a life, physical, and earth science course.
Hi, I am Mrs. Elder, and I teach General Science, Biology 1, and Biology 2. So in recapping what was said earlier, how do I know which science class to take? Well, that's going to depend on a teacher recommendation or which one that you would prefer that you want to take. If you want to go to academic general science or if you want to go to the honors earth and space. And then lastly, what will we learn in each freshman level class? If you go through the academic path, you'll go to general science and you'll learn about chemistry and physics. And then if you go through the honors, you'll learn about earth and space.
My name is Mr. Bensel, and I teach biology and ecology here at the Southwestern High School. Our department is excited and looking forward to meeting all your fresh, smiling faces in the beginning of the school year.
If after watching this screencast, you have any questions about your choices for next year in the science department, please feel free to discuss your questions with your guidance counselor, your current science teacher, or reach out to me, Rebecca_Black at southwesternsd.org, and I will be happy to help you answer those questions. We look forward to seeing you soon.